must be built. Worlds must be connected. Sakai knows roads around the world, as we've been supporting road construction for more than 100 years. Our goal is to help people live safely and comfortably as countries undergo development. To make this happen, Sakai has been supporting the construction of roads by delivering better equipment through daily work and research. In April 1976, Sakai America Incorporated was founded in Wilmington, Delaware, USA, to distribute Sakai products in North America. In 2000, with a rapid increase in demand for highway construction and a continued commitment to our customers in North America, Sakai opened a manufacturing plant in Adairsville, Georgia, near Atlanta. It was then that Sakai began producing machines in America. By 2005, Sakai had built an impressive dealer network, able to support and care for customers across America. Today, there are about 60 dealers nationwide that represent Sakai.
And the parts department consists of 6,979 part numbers, a total of 92,695 parts, and currently we have a 94% fill rate for our service parts. A couple of things we've improved in the last couple of years is now all of our Tier 4 final machines over 74 horsepower come with telematics on the engine, so you can diagnose trouble from your laptop or from your iPad or iPhone, and some great apps come along with that, and it's really handy for managing your equipment remotely.
Where we manufacture the highest quality compaction equipment in the world. Our machines are engineered and built to last, to make sure that the machines you buy from us work the first time, all the time. You want the best? Come try Sakai. We're dedicated to making you and your customers money. Thank you.
You know, I tell guys all the time that buying a Sakai is going to be something that you're really going to benefit from, not only at the end of this year when you start to take a look at your numbers and your savings, but in the long run, just the longevity and the bulletproofness of these machines. You know, over a 10-year period, your savings from parts, wear, isolators, drum repairs, it really goes a long way. It's you've got your upfront savings there, and of course your back-end savings for your customers is always going to be the rideability and bonuses they get for compaction.
Ultimately, what made us go with Sakai rollers is the ability to have vibe or oscillation. The oscillation on both drums instead of the competitors only having oscillation on one drum. The planetary-driven oscillation instead of a belt-driven oscillation. Reliability has been amazing. Operators love them. The isolated deck is comfortable throughout the day. Oscillation also helps fatigue on the operator. Controls are very operator-friendly. Visibility is very good on the machine. We've cut our bottom line with rideability bonuses, compaction, and cutting rollers. Gone from 3 rollers to 2 rollers on a lot of our jobs. I would recommend buying a Sakai. You have amazing dealer support. The reliability of the machine is great. Cut my bottom line on my jobs, helped me save money, and got me bonuses on jobs.
They outperform any competitors that we've tried in the past. Sakai rollers have the ability to keep up with our demands for high production days and able to get compaction with our demands for the meeting DOT specifications. The Sakai rollers have given us the ability to achieve 4 Sheldon G. Hayes Awards, which is the most prestigious paving award in the United States. We strive for a quality project here at Lindy Paving, and they've let us achieve those goals.
We use the Sakai 300 and the 320. Those are used for parking lot jobs, smaller paving projects. We use the Sakai 800 and the 774. Those are used on our mainline paving projects on larger highways.
The renovation of all pavement layers of the racetrack at Barber Motorsports Park near Birmingham, Alabama, USA, was executed in the summer of 2019. Granite's team, based in Indio, California, was invited to bid for the project based on their knowledge and expertise on racetracks. The given construction period was 41 days, but the actual window for construction was shorter because of summer thunderstorms. Due to the high standards of smoothness and compaction required for this racetrack, Granite flew a 28-person crew across the country for the project. Their equipment also needed to be first class to meet the standards of the demanding project. Based on previous success with Sakai teams and equipment, the Granite crew partnered with Sakai for work on compaction and smoothing. Granite also chose Sakai based on our performance, simplicity, reliability, and technical support. In the breakdown position, the SW850ND was used in oscillatory mode. The intermediate position was handled by the SW774 and SW654ND. And finally, the R2H-4 was used in the finish position. The project was completed successfully as scheduled and exceeded the owner's expectations. A vibratory pneumatic tire roller, the GW754, has been completely revamped for greater comfort and functionality than its predecessor. Enhanced features include a 180-degree swivel seat, speed up to 7.5 miles per hour, a vibrator with 4 amplitudes to choose from while in use, and a Kubota Tier 4 final engine. Since the first vibratory pneumatic tire roller, GW750, was developed in 2004, it has remained a product unique to Sakai. It has been proven to be very effective in compacting hot mix asphalt, such as Super Pave and SMA. Because the vibrating tires massage these mixes effectively, it densifies the pavement layer uniformly. Research found that quiet compaction required on bridge decks and in residential areas is also possible. As an added benefit, despite its compact size, weighing 20,440 pounds, it outperforms a static pneumatic tire roller weighing 55,000 pounds. The compact size and versatility also help contractors cut their operating costs. SW994ND, a double-drum oscillatory roller with an 84-inch wide drum, is now fully developed and on the market. With this addition, we now have a lineup of 4 oscillatory models, including the 57-inch wide SW654ND, the 67-inch wide SW774ND, and the 79-inch wide SW884ND. Sakai ND oscillatory rollers have achieved good compaction results not only with dense-grade HMA mixtures, but also SMA on highways, at airports, and on test tracks. This is due to the optimized massage effect of both drums, resulting in the required density and surface texture of asphalt pavements being achieved more efficiently than by the machines of our competitors. On all our competitors' machines, only one drum oscillates and the other drum vibrates. Therefore, the total compaction energy in oscillatory or vibratory mode is insufficient. Lower maintenance costs and shorter downtime are also major advantages for contractors, since Sakai oscillation is driven by gears. Typically, our competitor systems are driven by belts, which require periodic replacement at the workshop. Recently, compaction work relying on intelligent compaction systems has been growing in popularity in the USA. This is because it's an easy tool to use in evaluating the quality of compaction in embankments and asphalt pavement layers. Sakai has been improving the accuracy of its own stiffness sensor, applicable to both soil and asphalt. It is called CCV, which stands for Compaction Control Value. Its accuracy has been proven in many test projects carried out by the Federal Highway Administration, or FHWA, in the USA. CCV can be connected to any IC system supplied by major GPS manufacturers. such as Topcon, Trimble, Leica, and MOBA. If you're a Sakai customer, contact the Sakai America headquarters or one of our many dealers, and we can connect a CCV to your favorite IC GPS system. Sakai developed an autonomous vibratory roller prototype. In January 2020, it was used in a test project to verify the applicability of new 5G data transmission technology at a construction site. The project was conducted by the Japanese government, a leading contractor, and 5G data technology companies in Japan. As Japan has been struck recently by frequent natural disasters, such as earthquakes, floods, and tornadoes, destroying our lifelines, there has been a need for quick and safe restoration work to be carried out remotely, even under dangerous conditions. All construction equipment, including rollers, as well as excavators, haulage trucks, and bulldozers, have been controlled remotely by operators through 4 displays, at the front and on the right and left. These pictures were taken by 3 cameras mounted on the operator's seat of each machine and transmitted in real time using the new 5G technology. Sakai rollers can drive autonomously as pre-programmed, but they also can be operated by remote control. A partnership with a company that develops the software for Sakai's autonomous rollers enables the achievement of efficient and uniform compaction during autonomous rolling. Moreover, accurate tracing of coordinates entered in advance ensures that no special skills are required of operators. The machines are also equipped with automatic emergency brake systems and IC systems to ensure safety and the monitoring of compaction. These autonomous control technologies will be applied to other Sakai rollers, and they will be launched on the market in the near future. On-site safety is the #1 issue at all construction sites around the world. Although visibility from the driver's seat has been improved in rollers, there has been a need for a brake system to eliminate accidents due to human error, especially while reversing. To save the lives of workers, an automatic emergency brake system was developed and named Guardman. A 3D LiDAR sensor is used to detect workers behind rollers. The distance between workers and the roller is minimized by controlling the timing of braking to maximize the workability of the roller. A display on the dashboard ensures good rear vision, and warning signs with voice messages are triggered before and after braking. During braking, it is designed so that the drums and/or tires will not lock in order to avoid skidding and damage to the pavement surface. Moreover, rolling with zero curb clearance is made possible by setting the detection width behind the roller so that it is the same as the compaction width of the roller. The system has been well received and proven effective by paving contractors in Japan. So Sakai rollers with the automatic brake system will be launched on the global market in the near future. Sakai Heavy Industries in Japan is at the heart of the Sakai Group, which engages in R&D, production, purchasing, and services. The Sakai Group companies are located in Tokyo, Japan, Georgia, USA, Jakarta, Indonesia, and Shanghai, China. Products will be launched on the market after passing tests, including those for engine emissions, compaction performance, and the basic performance of all systems. Sakai in Japan has been involved in joint projects with the Japanese government to support developing countries overseas. They include the upgrading of muddy roads to gravel roads by using a stabilizer machine, which mixes mud with additives such as asphalt emulsion and cement. This may not sound like much, but it is very helpful to local people, as it allows them to walk to school, the hospital, or supermarkets, even in heavy rain. Sakai provides local engineers with not only equipment, but also the know-how on proper machine operation and mixtures for different types of soil. We do this because we believe that training locals will motivate them to build roads and develop their own country. Sakai Indonesia in 2019 expanded the production plant to meet the increasing demand in Indonesia and other countries in Southeast Asia and Oceania. A new company called Sakai Sales and Service Asia, or SSSA, has now been established. The team, consisting of people involved in production, sales, and services, is aiming to expand business in Asia while providing better service to customers. In the 20 years after the founding of Sakai Shanghai in 2000, the company has achieved two critical missions for the group. One, the supplying of parts and products to other Sakai Group companies. Two, the production and sales of large asphalt rollers for the Chinese market. The company will continue to cultivate the Chinese market by providing high-quality, high-performance products with better services. Roads must be built. Worlds must be connected. Team Sakai is committed to our customers and stakeholders to provide what they need to develop their countries and the world. Sakai, as the master of compaction, will connect the world and the future.